Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Rosie Cooks. Today I'm going to make some crunchy tacos. You're going to need 1 pound of ground turkey or beef, 1/4 of an onion and 1 clove of garlic, 1 potato and 1 4-ounce can of diced green chilies. I'm going to spice it up with some taco seasoning. You can find the recipe for taco seasoning on Rosie Cooks. You're going to need tortillas and some oil. I'm starting off with a hot skillet and I'm adding some oil. This is my chopped onion. I'm going to cook this for a few minutes. Okay, my onions have been cooking for a few. I'm adding my garlic. I'm going to let that cook for a minute or so. So now I've added my ground turkey. I'm mixing together my turkey, onion, and garlic. Now I'm adding my taco seasoning. Now I'm adding my potato. Okay, and I'm adding my can of green chilies. I'm adding a cup of water. Now I'm just going to mix everything together. So I have my taco meat simmering on low until my potatoes are completely tender. Meanwhile, I have a griddle. Okay, when you have your tortillas straight out of the package, they're kind of stiff. You want to cook your tortillas just for a couple of minutes until they get softened. So once your tortilla's been cooking a little bit, this is how they become nice and flexible. This is how you want them. Okay, so my potatoes are completely cooked through. So here's the next step. You're gonna take some flour. You're gonna take a tablespoon, and you're just gonna put a big heaping tablespoon of flour inside your mixtures. This is used for packing my meat together. When I put it inside the tacos, I don't want it spilling out from the tortilla. So this helps it pack together. Okay, so you can see the difference now. See how it's more packed together? That's the way you want it. So now we're going to start stuffing our taco. So now what I'm doing is I'm getting one of my flexible tortillas and I'm stuffing it with my meat. You can see that the meat is packed together. That was the reason for the flour. So there we go. I have a skillet with hot oil. Okay, so now I'm going to fry up my tacos till they're golden brown. Off to the side I have this tray, and I lined it with a paper napkin, and that's where I'm putting all my tacos as I fry them. And here are my tacos, the final product. They are a hit every time. I dressed them up with some lettuce, cheese, diced tomatoes, and salsa. They are very tasty. Thank you for joining me on my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time.